Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM Hair Products video. Let me apologize first for the quality of the voiceover. I'm in the bed, I'm not feeling well, and I couldn't find my portable microphone, so I'm using my earbuds. So I apologize for that. Also, let me apologize now. This is not a full tutorial of this video, but I am going to give you guys a full tutorial of this video. She detangled her hair off camera using the Smooth Through Detangler, which you saw on the screen previously. Now, I parted her hair off from ear to ear, and I'm using the Perfect Assist Styling Aid, which is what you see on your screen. This is what keeps her hair moisturized, hands down, best moisturizer in the world. This is what keeps her hair moisturized while it's in a protective style. She may wear this style, no, I think she wore this style for probably about 4 or 5 weeks. And when I took her hair down, her hair was still moisturized, and that helps to reduce breakage because sometimes your hair is so dry it just breaks off when you get ready to detangle it. But I'm going to let y'all look at this because if you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, you know how I do my crochet braid patterns. But I am just so proud of my daughter. Since all of this has happened, the whole shutdown, the whole Mr. Floyd situation, the whole everything, she's just like, Mom, I'm woke now. That's what she calls it. I'm woke now. And without saying, I know you guys know what I'm talking about. But she is so pro melanin rich young ladies. You guys know what I'm saying without having to say it. She wanted to wear more natural texture hair. Now, the reason I'm proud of her is because maybe like 2 years ago, I tried to get her to like wear natural, kinkier textured hair, and she just wasn't feeling it. You know, she just wasn't in a place where she felt comfortable, and that's okay. Like, that's okay because you have to feel comfortable with you. But now, y'all, she is like with it. You know, she just like, I want to accentuate what's beautiful about us. Now, the only reason she doesn't really wear her hair because it takes a lot of maintenance to maintain her hair. And with life right now, she just doesn't have time for it. She's a new college student. She got some other ventures she's trying to do. But I am just so proud of her to say, you know what? I'm proud of who I am. I'm proud of what color I am. I'm proud of my gender. I'm proud of everything about us, our people. And she has just went steam ahead and like, you know, she like, I want kinkier texture hair. It's nothing wrong with having your hair silk pressed every now and then or wearing silkier textures hair, but it's like, you guys, this video is a little old. So, but since this whole shutdown has started, since the whole Mr. Floyd situation, she has not wanted like any silk press, she has not wanted any silky hair. So I'm gonna do another video. I'm gonna do another video with her hairstyle, and y'all gonna be so shocked. But I just wanted to give her her flowers. I just wanted to shout her out, and you guys are gonna see at the end of the video how excited she was when she saw her hair. Now I'm really showing you guys the braid pattern, how to moisturize your hair, and how to keep your hair in a healthy state while it's in the protective style. One thing I want to let you guys know, you don't see me braiding her hair really tight. It's not really tight. I'm gripping it. I'm gripping the hair, but I'm not braiding the hair down tight because you have to slide hair underneath there. And the hair that I'm using for her hairstyle, which you'll see at the end, is it's a real kind of thick hair. So if you braid the hair tight to the scalp, it's hard to get that hair underneath the braid, which causes breakage because you're pulling a hair. So it causes your hair to break. That's why I see a lot of young ladies, they lose their edges because they braid the hair like way too tight. And you have to slip those crochet braids or the crochet hair underneath the braid. But I just wanted to give her flowers. I'm so proud of her, just who she's become over these past few months. Just the person she's become. She's like, I'm all about us. Not that she doesn't like other people, and you guys know what I'm saying, but she's loving her and herself and her people more. I hope y'all get what I'm saying because I don't want to come off offensive or rude or, YouTube be tripping sometime. But I just want y'all to know that I am so, so, so proud of her. And again, I apologize because this is not a full tutorial. And at first I was like, well, I don't know if I'll put the video up, but this was my way of giving her her flowers. And she's had a rough year. You guys knew she was a senior. She missed her prom. She missed her graduation. She missed all of the things that she worked hard for. Like my daughter looked forward to prom when she was in like kindergarten. So for her to miss it, it was a big deal. But for her to become the person she is now, I'm like, I don't know if I could have brought this person out without this misfortune, without this unfortunately this thing happening. She's now awake. She's more knowledgeable. And I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. This is the hair that I'm using. It's a kinky. I don't have the hair in front of me, y'all. Y'all know I'm never okay. I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna claim that. I'm not gonna say I'm never prepared when I do these voiceovers. But I'm not gonna claim that. I just didn't keep the packet of hair. But this is like a kinky texture hair. It's made for twisting. That's why you see that little coil on the end. It's made to do like two strand twists to make them look more natural, but I just didn't twist it and I left it in its natural air quotes state. And when you guys see what I'm saying when I say you got the hair is kind of thick and you have to slide it underneath the braid to do the crochet braid. So that's why I don't braid the hair tight. I just want to say that while I'm showing you guys. And this hair gets really big really fast, as you can see. But it turned out so stinking cute. Oh my God, I loved it. And you guys are going to see how much she loves it. And this is pretty much how she wants to wear her hair all the time. When I say all the time, all the time. So y'all going to see quite a few of these natural hair tutorials with different looks, but with this texture of hair. But again, I'm proud of you. I love you. Keep doing what you're doing. She has new things coming, you guys. I'm going to let you guys know about that. But I'm just happy for her. I'm happy. Y'all, she's so goofy. But she really loved this hair. She really loved it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave your comments. Turn on your post notification because I'll be doing more giveaways for the month of December. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.